Mojo and his class had arrived at the Aviation Museum. He still wasn't sure how to change his mood to be good, but he sure was going to try. But try as he might, it was hard not to feel like the day just wasn't going well.
You're not a balloon kid. You're more like the pilot of a plane.
Oh, it's hopeless. Even if my mood is a plane, I'm still not a pilot. Did someone mention a pilot? Said a nice woman's voice. It was Amelia Earhart, the first woman to ever fly a plane across the Atlantic. Well, I know I'm supposed to steer myself to a better mood. I just don't know how. Maybe I can help, Amelia said. Have a seat. Okay. Whoa! Mojo exclaimed. I've always wanted to fly a plane. How do you fly a plane? Start by checking what your attitude is. Right. Attitude? What's attitude? Your attitude controls whether your plane aims up or down. If your attitude is positive, your plane will fly higher. But if you have a negative attitude, your plane goes down too. Oh no! We're going down! Help! Ah, you've got a negative attitude. How do we steer up? There's no controls! Oh, I should have mentioned this plane is controlled by your attitude. All you have to do is change your attitude to be in a good mood. We're going to die. Now, Mojo, changing your attitude is easy. No, it's not. The cafe food looks terrible, and the lines are too long, and I wanted to go to the Space Museum. Oh, there's your problem, Mojo. Instead of wishing things were different, focus on what you can control. What can I control? I can't control what our trip was. I can't control where the bus stopped. I can't even control how long the line is. You can't change how long it is, but what could you do to still have fun? I guess I could play some cards with my friends while we wait. And that would mean the longer the line was, the more time you'd have to play. Huh, you're right. Wow, thanks Amelia Earhart. Say, why is your exhibit so empty? People have a hard time finding me. You're having a pretty lucky day, Mojo. Mojo realized that he would never have met Amelia Earhart if all the things he thought were bad hadn't happened. Have you checked your attitude recently? Is it positive or negative right now? And what can you do to make it more positive?